Look at this freak show of light. Unlike a mullet, which is all business up front and party in the rear, mine's all business in the rear and a party of light up front. Now, hang on, guys. I hate to brag, but I must. One moment. I'm sorry, guys. How rude of me. Hang on. Check out this wrench. It's a big oldie. Real old. I wrote the 15 sixteenths on there. It used to be owned by D. Gain. Gain. Check it out, man. Found it in an old ass toolbox. It's the right size for the bolts on my 3-point hitch. Where should it go? Should I mount it there? It's just for a hood decoration. Should I mount it on the fender with an ammo box with my lunch in it? D. Gain. Reminds me of another Gain, Ed Gain, Gein, in British Columbia, the pig farmer. It's not all he farmed, though. Jesus Christ, I even snorted on that one. Man, I hate to brag, but I said in another video that I'm good with plowing for now, man. I've had my fun. Because I love to mow grass, too. Yeah, that's utter bullshit, man. I'm not done with plowing. I've been waiting since I was 15 years old for this. Literally, I have. And so I concocted a plan. Blozo concocted a plan. Now, Blozo disconnected the angle hydraulic lines from the blade, right? And I dropped that gold-colored pin in there, which locks the blade straight. I did not disconnect the lift cylinder because I thought just a little bit of a temptation for that hoary old hag, Mother Nature. Right? Show you what else we did. Hey, listen, want to say hi to the fellas? Say hi, boys. Yeah, he's camera shy like Uncle Blozo, like his dad. I also took off the block of rock and put it in the storage position. What's the storage position? Let me demonstrate. Okay, that's how it came off the tractor. There, it's in the storage position. Now, hang on, I gotta spit. I hear everybody clamoring to the comments section to say, hey, Blozo, what the hell's that white stick on the block of rock for? That's a handle. I can grab it and move it around much easier that way. Okay? Hang on. Quitter. And so, to sum it up, I better say, this will be my last John Deere video. I've said that in every one of them. And so there it is. That's Blozo's tractor ready for another. Well, what's it ready for? Hey, God, I'll show you. I show you. Check it out, man. Now it's March 6th, and I wanted to plow one more time. So I tempted Mother Nature by disconnecting my blade, but only partially. And yesterday it hit the high 50s. Right now it's 46. With high wind warning, man, we've got gusts hitting 50 to 60 miles an hour out there, but that's okay. The important thing is right here. By disconnecting 2 hydraulic lines, I tricked Mother Nature into giving us 3 more inches of snow by tomorrow. I rule, Mother Nature. She knows not. Hang on. Check it out, man. Look what we got brewing down here in Oklahoma and about to move through Missouri. Headed straight at me, man. I'll tell you what, man, it's hard to believe. This time of year, the weather, oh, man. Look at my front yard, man. A week ago, it had 1.5 feet of snow on it, literally. And all my plowing efforts. So far this season, I've plowed 33 inches. Remember, I have a calendar. I jot it down on. I'm a nerd, a Dexter. All that snow. And that's all that's left of it on that side. That's all that's left of it on that side. Oh, shit. Neighbor Cindy's recycling took a dump. It took a dump, man. It's windy as shit out here. Anyway, man. Look at this driveway, man. Thinking about getting a new one installed this summer. Anyway, man. Hope you enjoyed the music, my musical score I chose for this video. And I thank you for watching my John Deere 318 circa 1989 video. Remember, this is the last one. 73.